Welcome to Dialogue Dreams.
Good evening, ma'am. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a reservation. My name is Sarah. I'm here for the CTR conference.
Just a moment. Yeah, here it is. For 4 nights.
That's right.
Here is your key, Miss Sarah. You are in room 319 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 9 on the 6th floor.
Where is the lift?
The elevators are over there.
Thanks.
Do you need any help with your bag?
No thanks. I can manage it. Hello, reception.
Hello, how can I help you?
I'm calling from 319. I have a problem with the air conditioning. It's not working. And it's very hot in my room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I will send someone up to look at it right now.
Thank you.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?
Yes, very well. Thank you.
Good.
Okay, let's check our tasks for today. What do we need to do?
We have a meeting at 10 a.m. with the marketing team to discuss the new project.
Got it. 10 a.m. meeting with marketing. What else?
After that, we need to review the budget report for this quarter.
Got it. The budget report. Anything else on the list?
Yes, we should also respond to those emails from our clients. They have been waiting for our feedback.
Awesome. Let's work on these tasks step by step. We can do it. Hello, Mom.
Hi, sweetheart. How was your meeting today?
It went well, Mom. The team had some great ideas.
That's good to hear. I've been thinking about you. Are you taking care of yourself over there?
Yes. I'm taking care of myself. London is beautiful, and I'm enjoying my time here.
Just remember to stay safe, and look out for one another, okay?
I will, Mom. Don't worry about me. I'm surrounded by good people.
Alright, sweetheart. Have a great day. And call me if you need anything.
Thanks, Mom. Love you.
Love you too, dear. Take care.
Hey, Sarah. I was thinking, since you're in London, how about I show you a really nice place in the city?
Oh, that sounds great, Roger. I would love to see more of London.
Fantastic. There is this charming park not far from here. It's peaceful and has a beautiful view. What do you say?
Sounds wonderful. When will we go?
We can go there this evening after work. I think you will really like it.
Thanks, Roger. I appreciate you showing me around. It's going to be fun. Roger, this place is amazing. I can't believe how peaceful it is here.
I knew you would like it, Sarah. It's one of my favorite spots in London.
Thanks for bringing me here. It's been a perfect evening.
My pleasure. I'm glad you had a good time. Sarah, can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Why do you ask?
Oh, no offense meant. I was just wondering because you're so beautiful.
Well, I did have a boyfriend. But we broke up. He betrayed my trust, unfortunately.
I'm sorry to hear that, Sarah. It must have been tough.
It was. But I'm moving forward. What about you? Why haven't you married again after your divorce?
Honestly, I have been really busy with work, and I haven't really thought much about it.
I understand. Life can keep us busy sometimes.
Well then, it's time to go.
Let's go.
Honey, have you talked to Sarah recently? How is she doing?
Yes, dear. I spoke with her. She is doing well. And she will be coming back next week.
That's good to hear. I have been missing her a lot.
I know. We both have. But she has been having a good time in London.
Did she say what she has been up to there?
Yes. She has been exploring the city. And she even made a new friend named Roger.
Roger, you say? I hope he is a good friend.
Yes. She said nice things about him. He has been taking care of her.
That's nice to know.
I can't believe I have fallen for her. She is amazing. But what if she doesn't feel the same way? I will propose her tomorrow.
Roger is such a kind and wonderful person. I enjoy spending time with him. But is it more than just friendship?
Sarah, I was thinking, would it be okay if I came to your hotel tomorrow?
Of course, Roger. I would be really happy if you came over.
That's great to hear. I have been wanting to spend more time with you.
I feel the same way. I will be looking forward to it.
Okay then, I will see you there.
Okay. Have a good night. Take care.
You too. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.